We're doing an ignition switch today in a 98 Cabrio. I got the airbag module off. Even though it's daytime, I'm going to need some good light working right here. What I'm using is Goose-Grip Mechanics Work Light. That's a suction cup and a Milwaukee M12 battery module right here. And it's stuck to the windshield with an industrial grade suction cup. And it has a 36-inch long flexible metal gooseneck. And as far as lighting goes, I'll take it and put it right in front of the steering wheel where I'm going to be working. I'm going to turn it on right there. And 1300 lumens of light. Put it anywhere you want, at any angle, at any pitch. Spin it like a ballerina, doesn't matter. Anyway, we're going to get busy taking this thing apart and look for it, goosegrip.com.